A tire burst free from a truck and shot across the lane under a Kia. That sent the Kia into the air and caused it to violently flip, landing roof down on the asphalt and then rolling over. Now, you may be wondering, who's to blame here and why does it matter? If you're the driver of that ill-fated Kia, your chance at getting any money for your injuries depends on this key point. Was the driver careless? You have to prove that the driver made a mistake that led to this crash. No mistake, no money. It's that simple. The key question here is what led to the tire flying off the truck? The truck's maintenance history is crucial. If it had a clean bill of health with all its checks done on time, the path to proving fault for the Kia's driver becomes more challenging. However, plot twist. What if the truck had been modified, say lifted? In that case, not just the truck driver, but also the company responsible for the changes could be held liable. For the driver of the Kia, this could be a turning point. They'd need to bring in an expert to testify that the modifications were done wrong. Now let's look at what the case could be worth. It all hangs on the extent of the Kia driver's injuries. So if the driver didn't get medical treatment, then we're probably talking about a small settlement here. But let's look at the insurance angle. If the truck driver's policy limit is just $15,000, there's a good chance that the insurer might just shell out that sum for two compelling reasons. First, there's the wow factor of the crash. A car flipping midair isn't your run-of-the-mill fender bender. Jurors eat this up. It's got the cinematic flair that jacks up the shock value, possibly making the case worth more than your average rear ender. It's like adding a dash of hot sauce to an already spicy dish. It just amps up the flavor. Second, if the Kia driver sustained severe injuries like a broken bone or even a claimed brain injury, the value of the case could skyrocket. Particularly with a brain injury, jurors are more likely to understand how a violent crash could shake someone's brain inside their skull. This could make it easier to prove that the injury was a direct result of the accident. In the end, when it comes to laying blame and calculating damages, it's never as simple as it looks. It's all in the details, like whether the truck was modified or well maintained, that could determine your shot at a personal injury claim. The Highway Patrol said that the driver of the Kia wasn't injured, so if they didn't get much medical treatment, they're not looking at a big payday. There's a question that you need to ask the insurance company if you've been in a car accident. Otherwise, you likely won't get paid what's fair. To find out what the question is, watch the video that's on screen or click the link in the description below. And if you've been seriously injured in a car accident in Florida, click the link in the description below to see if I could be the lawyer for you.